In this video, let's simplify a furnace control board. This is removed from Trane unit. As you can see, it has some overheated section on the other side. This control board has it's a dual-sided. It has parts on both sides, on this side and the other side. But in this video, I wanted to show more like the functions of the board to simplify as much as possible. Low voltage connection, it's pretty simple. So that's where the condenser is connected, like compressor. W means heat or your heating signal. R is 24 volts. G is fan. C is common. Twin. Twin means if you have tandem, if you have furnaces in tandem, two of them next to each other, connected and running as one, that's what the tandem be. So those twin connections will be used. Here is the microcontroller. That's simple. Let's go here and see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 relays. And let's assume that each relay is something for heavy. Maybe this is for inducer. This is for the blower. This is for hot surface igniter. Maybe this is for electronic air cleaner or something else. In this case, we also have these connections are for the fan. Let's go over the fan connections. Here is for the cool, if the blower motor will be connected here, heat will be connected here, and then park, easy. Electronic air cleaner will be connected here. Here is line, 120 volts connected, the line, and here's a transformer. So we basically simplified. These are the relays. They are simply the relays. These are simply the connections, nothing else. And here is the humidifier connection. Well, I don't know which relay is for what function, but we know that this is a blower relay. And the others can be inducer, can be a hot surface igniter, and so on. On this side, it says neutral, 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 and neutral. So all these are neutrals. We can find here that they are all connected. So they are all neutral connections. So we basically simplified up to here. And here is, I believe, as far as I remember, this is for the inducer. This is for the inducer and hot surface igniter connection here. Well, let's see. We already know what these ones are. What these ones are. Here, all these are neutrals. And then we have very few connections after that. Well, obviously this is a fuse. Fuse connection. Here's the fuse. And this is all the functions. Limit switches. Limit switches are connected here. Gas valve, as well as any other rollout switch or even flame safety sensor is connected here. There is nothing else on this board that we need to worry about. Here is the LED that will test. So anytime you see a control board as a technician that needs to be replaced, all these are pretty clear. And again, the whole purpose was just to simplify and not to make big deal out of these boards. The different brands have different boards. Some of them have separate flame safety connection here and other functions, but all of them have several relays for heavy loads, as well as neutral connections, high voltage connection, and connections for the blower motor. This is all essential, as well as low voltage connections. As far as the other things here, besides the microcontroller, we have few caps, lots of resistors, some varistors. I guess this is a varistor here. On the other side, also some resistors and capacitors. Those are surface mount capacitors. Here's a diode. I can see there is a diode too. Obviously, there will be some diodes. Just quick video to simplify as much as possible furnace control boards. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.